Hello guys, today I'm gonna play Still a Brainrot with a brand new account with challenge. As you can see, it's my main right now. I'm gonna log out and make a new account. Wait guys. Hello guys, as you can see, here's the brand new fresh account. Sorry guys, I haven't been posting for like 3 weeks from now because I took my break from content. I'm sorry about that guys, but okay, let's start. First, not right here. Guys, as you can see, we're already starting. Proof that it's new. Look at still a Brainrot new player servers. By the way, the challenge is you can only get food Brainrot, so that means Nubini Pizzanin is a food Brainrot, so I can definitely buy that. Whoa, I'm lagging. I'm kinda lagging, guys.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Let's buy that. Also this one.
Nubini Pizzanini.
Wait for Nubini to reach our base. Go. Okay, got a Nubini. Sorry guys about the lag. I'm kinda laggy from video. Well, video. No, should we steal, guys? Base are actually locked. Spend some money from the meantime. Gonna get food Brainrots. Even if it's an issue, gonna be a food. Let's see what we have on the base.
Gangster Futero.
Let me see. Someone's base is open. Someone's base is open. Someone's new. Still there. Wait, it's two now. You can eat. No, you can. No, you can eat this. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Truly Mero, truly China.
Go, guys. First steal. No, why am I lagging? No. I get stuck. Yes, I'm good. Go back. Yes.